Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PlayStation 5 flickering. A flickering screen can be incredibly frustrating, but many issues are easily resolved with a few simple checks. Start by restarting your PlayStation 5 console entirely. Sometimes, a full power cycle clears temporary glitches and restores stable video output. Next, perform a quick power cycle on your television or monitor by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves temporary display communication errors and can immediately improve your gaming experience. Your HDMI connection is a common source of display problems. Carefully check your current HDMI cable for any bends, crimps, or frayed areas. Even minor damage can disrupt the signal. Ensure the cable is firmly seated in both the PlayStation 5 and your display, avoiding any looseness. If flickering persists, replace it with a certified high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable and try plugging it into a different HDMI input on your television. This confirms if the cable or a specific port is the root cause. The PlayStation 5's display settings can sometimes conflict with your television. Navigate to your PlayStation 5's screen and video menu. First, try setting your resolution manually to 4K or 1080 pixels rather than automatic. Then, temporarily disable High Dynamic Range or HDR and turn off Variable Refresh Rate or VRR if they are active. These advanced features can occasionally cause instability with certain display models, and adjusting them often resolves the issue. Your television or monitor also plays a crucial role in display stability. First, ensure your display's firmware is completely up to date, as manufacturers frequently release updates that improve compatibility. Access your television's input settings for the PlayStation 5's HDMI port and verify it's configured correctly, sometimes labeling it for PC or gaming. Experiment with different picture modes, such as game mode, which often optimizes performance. These display-side adjustments can significantly impact your visual experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.